The Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a motorcycle that's captured the imagination of motorcycle enthusiasts all over the world, is an embodiment of style, performance, and heritage. With a brand that has over a century of history, Royal Enfield has long been synonymous with ruggedness, reliability, and adventure. The Meteor 350, launched as part of the new generation 350cc lineup, marks a significant shift for the brand, incorporating modern technology while staying true to its retro roots. The Meteor 350 has become one of the most eagerly anticipated motorcycles from the Royal Enfield stable. It's designed to appeal to a wide range of riders, whether you're an experienced motorcyclist looking for a reliable cruiser or a newcomer eager to experience the thrill of the open road. The Meteor's allure is not just in its striking looks but in its ability to offer a perfect balance of power, comfort, and practicality. At first glance, the Meteor 350 offers a design that can best be described as a classic cruiser. Its flowing lines, round headlamp, and elegantly crafted fuel tank give it a timeless aesthetic. Royal Enfield has designed the Meteor 350 to be comfortable for long rides, and it achieves this through its relaxed riding position and thoughtful ergonomics. The low-slung seat and wide handlebars ensure that the rider is in a commanding but comfortable position, ready to embark on journeys both short and long. But the Meteor 350 is more than just a pretty face. Beneath its retro exterior lies a modern motorcycle, equipped with features that enhance both the rider's experience and the bike's performance. The Meteor is powered by the all-new 349cc, air-oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power delivery and a refined performance. It's mated to a 5-speed gearbox, which, when paired with the engine's torque, provides a smooth, easy-to-handle ride that's perfect for city streets or highway cruising. Royal Enfield has given special attention to the engine's tuning and performance characteristics, ensuring that the Meteor offers a distinctive thump that is iconic to the brand. It's the perfect combination of power and smoothness, delivering enough punch to make overtaking and high-speed cruising effortless while maintaining a level of refinement that makes the bike highly enjoyable on long rides. One of the most notable changes in the Meteor 350 is the new platform. The Meteor 350 is built on an all-new frame that has been designed to offer a more comfortable and stable riding experience. The frame has been paired with telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This combination ensures that the Meteor provides a smooth ride over a variety of terrains, whether you're riding through the city, tackling winding country roads, or cruising on the highways. The Meteor 350 is also equipped with a more advanced braking system compared to its predecessors. The front features a 300mm disc with a 2-piston caliper, while the rear comes with a 270mm disc, both of which are paired with dual-channel ABS. The braking system ensures strong and consistent stopping power, adding to the safety and confidence of the rider. The dual-channel ABS is a welcome addition, especially for those who are new to riding or who plan to take their bike on longer, more adventurous trips. In terms of technology, the Meteor 350 takes a leap forward. The motorcycle comes with a Tripper navigation system, which is a first for Royal Enfield in this segment. The Tripper is a small, round, color display that connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It provides turn-by-turn navigation, which is particularly useful for riders who want to explore new roads without worrying about getting lost. The system is easy to use, with simple controls, and provides directions that are easy to follow, making it an invaluable tool for long-distance riders. Another technology feature of the Meteor 350 is its all-digital instrument cluster. The cluster combines both analog and digital elements, creating a classic look with modern functionality. It displays all the important information a rider needs, including speed, trip meter, fuel gauge, and more. The readability is excellent, with well-sized fonts and a layout that's clear and intuitive, ensuring that riders can access the information they need without distractions. But perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of the Meteor 350 is the attention to detail in its design and finish. Royal Enfield has long been known for its high-quality craftsmanship, and the Meteor 350 is no exception. Every aspect of the motorcycle, from the chrome accents on the fuel tank to the well-finished exhaust, has been meticulously designed to enhance the overall aesthetic. The fit and finish are top-notch, and this contributes to the Meteor's sense of luxury, even in a bike that is positioned in the mid-range segment. The Meteor 350 also comes with a host of accessories that further enhance the experience. Royal Enfield offers a wide range of customizable accessories for the Meteor, allowing riders to personalize their motorcycles to suit their needs and style. From luggage options for long trips to protective gear and stylish seat options, Royal Enfield ensures that owners can truly make the Meteor their own. Comfort is another strong point of the Meteor 350. The bike features a wide, comfortable seat that is ideal for long-distance riding. The seat is designed to provide support and cushioning, ensuring that riders can enjoy hours of comfortable riding without discomfort. The handlebars are positioned in a way that promotes an upright riding posture, reducing strain on the rider's back and shoulders. This makes the Meteor 350 a great choice for riders who enjoy long journeys and want a motorcycle that offers both comfort and performance. On the road, the Meteor 350 lives up to its promise of a smooth, enjoyable ride. The engine delivers enough power for everyday commuting and weekend getaways, while the suspension ensures that bumps and potholes are handled with ease. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising down a long, straight highway, the Meteor 350 offers a refined and pleasurable riding experience.